Hey friends, this is TreDesMo back with you. I just wanted to do a continuation video of one that I had previously posted regarding using my Silhouette Cameo to remove colors from an image. In case you need a refresher, this is the original image. Let me get some of this glare off of the screen. Yeah. This is the image I got from Coco Twins. I'll have a link in the comments on where I obtained this image. But from the previous video I posted, we removed the colors. So now this one I'm doing here is going to be the reverse of that, which is taking a black and white image and adding colors to personalize. So say if you bought this off of Coco Twins and you didn't want to use these colors that were on here and you want to change the hair color, change the skin color or whatnot, then this is what you do, or this is what I do. So it's what I'm showing you what I do. So my Silhouette Studio software is open and I'm moving this over to the side. I need to obtain my JPEG or PNG image. So here's one. Get rid of that. And this is a regular JPEG image of this same girl, just black and white version. So what you're going to do first is trace the image. So I'm over here. Yep, I'm over here and I'm going to select trace area, and see the little cursor turns into a plus sign. So I'm going to left click and hold it down while I select the image. Make sure all of it's in there. And see, that's going to be the part that you're tracing, and all the image that I want to change is selected. So then I hit over here, trace, and let it do its work. And when it all grays out, I'm going to move the top image away. So see, that's over there, and this is our traced image. I just click it, and I'm going to go over here to where it shows the colors, and the first thing I do is black it out, so that way I know the whole image that I traced is selected and can be changed. So what you want to do is individualize the sections. If I go by my original image, I see that this part is blank, and then the rest is colored. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on here so the whole image is selected. Okay, and then I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go to release compound path. And you see the whole image turns black, but you see where the different lines are that you can personalize with your colors. And we want to get rid of these here because in the original that's blank. So the only thing I do to do that is from the other previous video. If you go watch it, see it's just showing me the part that I want removed. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to hit down the shift key, and I'm going to click on a piece of this that makes it all highlighted. I'm going to go over here to the modify panel, right or left click on it, and I'm hitting subtract all. Okay, that way this part gets subtracted from the whole background image. And again, for a refresher, if you need one, you can go back to my previous video where I go more into detail with it. And this one, I need that one. See, if we go here, we want this one transparent. So we're going to do the same thing and click on the one we want transparent, hit down the shift key, click on the part that makes the entire image, modify panel, select all, and that way we can click out of it and go back to the one that we want deleted. That's the only pieces of this design that's actually transparent, so we can move her back over there. So Now you can select whatever you want to get the different colors on there. That's something on my screen. So say if we want to change her skin color, we just click on where her skin is, and I'm going to my color palette over here. If I want her skin to be the same color, I click my eyedropper tool and go over to the color I'm changing it to. Let's say that I want her hair to be this brown color. I'm doing the same thing, eyedropper, and just going, clicking on the pieces that I want to change it to. So either I can just keep going to the eyedropper tool, or when you go to, once you pick the color, it automatically incorporates over here to the recently used, and I can keep going back and forth. Now say I want the lip color not to be this original color right here. So I'm going to choose that top lip. Say if I want her lips to be blue. I went over here to the recently used section and I picked blue. Blue. Wait a minute. There. See, so you're just picking different parts. You can actually individualize this. If I say if I want her skin to be yellow, but you get the point. If I want this little piece to be white, this is where you can actually personalize your colors. So say if I wanted, oh, that's her ear. Okay, wait a minute. There. If I want the earrings to be red, I'm clicking on that little section right there. Now, say if I want, see, this is the background. This is considered background. So whatever you pick for the background will be the same color because they're all connected. And that's this drawing. Of course, if you pick something else, it doesn't have to be like that. Let's say if I want the lips to be green. We'll do a little AKA magic here. Or if you want to remove the color from the skin, the same, well, wait a minute. Say if I want to make it white. We could get more into detail with, in another video, with how to try to isolate the, let's say for this video, separate this right here to make it so you can change the color of the shirt and it won't be everything else. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll make another video that can update that. See, I'm just changing different colors to show you, because it gets a little bit more detailed when we get into that. And that's fine too. I don't mind making a video to show that. I'm just saying, if you want to see that, then let me know in the comments and we can go deeper into how I would change the color so everything's not changing when you change the background color. But like I said, this is just a real quick video to show how I incorporate colors back into the design. And let me know. Thanks for watching.